Yun, so nandito na tayo sa bahay nila. Isusunduin lang tayo. Say hi!
Hi! E and O in the Snapchat you're gonna find a throwing up mouth. Look.
What?
Look, I'm gonna do
Inglesero to best.
Look. Watch.
What?
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 Look. Look. When I spell P-O, you're gonna have a throwing up mouth.
Where is it? Show me.
Hey, no? Ito, oh. Look. This. Ito, oh. No.
Can I go inside?
Yeah.
Ang ganda dito. Tcharam! Ito yung aming garden. That's the garden. Papasok tayo, guys.
Pinalito ang oras na to po. Ano mo yan? Para hindi na namin natin yung crudo. Ano ba yan? Paano laruin yan?
What is that?
Fudgy bar. Good morning.
What did you say? Good morning?
Hindi ka ba din yung SB ni kami?
No.
What?
Good morning.
Ayan po yung aming pinaka-bibong baby.
Look what I have.
What's that? Show to them.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Paborito niya ang kanyang fudgy bar. Ayun, akaya tayo dito sa terrace nila. Ang ganda, oh. So, dahan-dahan tayo, guys. Wow! So, dito mo natin makikita ang building. That's the market. Asan ba? Sakit sa mata? Guys, I'm gonna show you the view. There. Asan ba yung market dyan?
Oh, you're so funny.
Lakas ng hangin. Dito, guys. Dito malapit na sa kanila yung garden. Ang ganda dito kasi madaming building. This is the place of Pateros. So, ayun nga guys. Alam niyo ba kung bakit kami nandito? Dito kami sa kanila kasi susunduin namin sila. Kasi, kakain daw kami sa Samgyup. Yay! Yun. Magkita-kita na lang tayo sa Samgyup. Bye! See you later. Dito na tayo, guys. Akyat na tayo sa taas. Tcharam! Oh, diba? Safe here. Ano na sila sa taas, oh, guys. Hi, Tristan! You here na? Kanina pa kayo? Thank you. Here, Tristan.
Hi.
What are we going to eat? Kakain tayo. Tristan, kakain tayo?
Are you going to eat now?
Ami, tingnan mo, may noodles.
Yeah, say hi.
Right.
Hindi ako vlog.
Hindi ka vlog?
Asa na ang buhok mo?
Say hi.
Busy siya. Here's our food.
Si Spider-Man ka.
Let's get tayo magluluto na.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that.
Taob ang mga plato. Done eating. Hi Tristan. Are you full? Yep. You happy? Where are we going, Tristan? We're going home. Tapos na kami. We're going home.